Y's registered dietitians, Carrie Taylor
and Andrea Luttrell.
We're midway through summer, and you know what that means. Fresh corn on the cob.
This Mexican-style street corn is a must to include at summer barbecues. Preheat grill to medium-high heat. Mix mayo, sour cream, chili powder, garlic, and cilantro together. Place husked corn on oiled grates and cook each side for 2 to 3 minutes, about 8 minutes total. Brush corn with cream mixture and sprinkle with cheese and additional cilantro if desired. Serve with lime wedges and enjoy.
Have leftover corn? Mix up this simple fresh corn salad. Cut the kernels from 5 ears of cooked corn on the cob. Mix with red onion, red pepper, cider vinegar, olive oil, and salt and pepper. Top with chopped cilantro and dig in.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.